Hi guys, welcome to another edition of This for Dummies. On this one I'm gonna be installing a outside light, and I'm definitely gonna have to improvise in here. It's hanging broken and I'm gonna see what I can do. It should have a box and it doesn't, so I'm gonna have to improvise. The rain won't hit it, the water won't hit it, so I'm gonna have to put a blue box in here. First thing you gotta make sure is that the power is disconnected. I already cut off all the breakers, so I know I don't have any power in here. So let's get started. It's gonna go. So I got me one of these electrical boxes, plastic. So I'm gonna have to drill a hole in here so I can run into that bolt right there and hold it with a nut. That's the only way I can do this one. I'm pretty sure every house is different. Yours, hopefully it does have a box. Alright. Okay, so what I'm doing here is that I'm drilling a hole. So that way this one will fit on that bolt. And then I'm gonna run the cables through one of these openings right here. Alright guys, so I made a hole through there and I cut one of the legs where the wires is gonna go, and all we have to do is run it through there just like this, and then nail it there. Okay. Now we're going to put the bolt on it and the nut in the center and tighten them up real good. Alright guys, so I got the box. It's an ugly box. I'm telling you, there has to be some prettier boxes out there to put, but this is just an improvisation. Quick, and I guess they don't mind. So and it's time for me to connect the wires, black with the black and the neutral, the white wire. Alright, so I got the cables connected, both of them. Now it's time for me to connect to bolt this to the box, and we're on it. I'm just gonna put it right there, 2 bolts, and that's it. Alright guys, so I put the I installed the light right on the box through and to a plug that it was on the wall, so that way the box can be more steady and strong. Alright, so all we have to adjust is that, and we're on it. This is how I did install a light, an outside light.